the 18 most addictive foods. This is a problem because these foods change the chemicals in your brain. They affect the hormones in your body. They make you need to come back for more, and they are not making you meet your health goals. Don't blame me, I'm just the messenger. The University of Michigan did this study with 518 participants using the Yale Addiction Food Scale, and they ranked these foods on a scale of 1, not very addictive, to 7, extremely addictive. And let's go through the top 18. Number 1 that tops the list is pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? Refined white bread crust, sugar-sweetened tomato sauce topped with cheese. It's, of course, delicious, but not helping us reach our health goals. Don't worry, guys. Cheese gets its own ranking on this very list. I know. Number 2 is chocolate. All kinds of chocolate. Chocolate and candy bars, milk chocolate, chocolate milk, chocolate syrup, all the chocolate. That comes in as the number 2 most addictive food. Number 3 likely won't be a surprise either. It's potato chips. Who doesn't love a nice, greasy, salty potato chip? They rank right there below chocolate and just a step ahead, number 4, which is cookies. Chocolate chip is my personal favorite, and I still enjoy them every once in a while. Let us know what yours is below, because number 5 is going to be a tough pill to swallow. It's ice cream. We probably know we shouldn't be eating ice cream all the time, but it's number 5 on the list of most addictive foods. Number 6 is French fries. Probably not shocking because greasy, salty French fries rank right up there with greasy, salty potato chips, and you just keep eating them one after the other. The next one, number 7, is a cheeseburger. Cheese makes the list yet again, and it's on here again. Right below a cheeseburger, coming in at number 8, is soda. Not diet soda, specifically sugar-sweetened soda. Could you see how we may be eating these things more often than we think? Soda, French fries, cheeseburger. Finish that off with cookies or ice cream, and you just had the top 8 addictive foods. This is a problem because these foods change the chemicals in your brain. They affect the hormones in your body. They make you need to come back for more. Coming in at number 9 is cake. You have heard this before. Refined sugar sweetened things like cakes and cookies probably gotta go. But cake comes in at number 9. Coming in right after it at number 10 with its own spot on the list is cheese. All kinds of cheese. Many people say they have a hard time going to a plant-based diet because they just can't give up cheese. And it makes sense. It's an addictive food, and it is very high in saturated fat, and that is really harmful if you have heart disease, diabetes, obesity, fatty liver, or you're just trying to live your healthiest life. So I'm not surprised cheese made this list, but it's really one that we want to try and limit. Number 11 is bacon. I mean, did you think it should be higher on the list? People can smell bacon and automatically crave it. Bacon got its own spot at number 11, but bacon is a processed meat. Processed meats are known to cause colon cancer. So this is one you definitely want to limit or just avoid altogether. Number 12 is fried chicken. Not surprising, fried foods are very addictive and very high in saturated fat, like we've already talked about. And then right behind it at number 13 were plain rolls, refined white bread rolls that I bet you're used to eating with butter, another source of saturated fat in our diets. 14 is popcorn, specifically buttered popcorn. Again, who's surprised? Actually, plain popcorn could be a pretty healthy whole grain to add into your diet, but smothered with butter and salt, I can see how it made one of the addictive foods on the list. Coming up next after buttered popcorn, number 15 might surprise you. It's breakfast cereal. But if you really think about it, breakfast cereals are often made from refined grains and have a ton of added sugars. Something like Lucky Charms, Golden Grams, Corn Pops, those things are not exactly health foods, and you often want to keep going back for another bowl and another bowl. Number 16 is gummy candies. If you're a candy lover and you were thinking, hey, I'm off the hook here, not so much. Candies still made the list, and gummy candies are number 16. Number 17 is steak. One of the few meats with bacon and fried chicken that made the list. Steak is in the red meat category, and red meats probably cause colon cancer too, but they can lead to heart disease and obesity and diabetes. So not surprising it's a food we want to keep going back for, but also not surprising that it's not exactly helping us meet our health goals. Number 18 is muffins. Now, they didn't say what kind of muffins, and I'm going to give a caveat here that you can make a healthy muffin, but a muffin that's full of refined white flour and sugar is obviously going to keep your body craving more. Sugar disrupts your metabolism, it makes your insulin spike, it makes your blood glucose spike, it sends your body into a craze just to get more. So there you have it, number 1 through 18. Is there a food that you think is so addictive, but it didn't make this list? Let us know in a comment down below. I bet bet it's one that either has refined grains, lots of sugar, saturated fats, or high levels of sodium, because all of those foods disrupt our normal healthy hormones and metabolism and keep us wanting to come back for more. They're also not helping us live our healthiest lives. But the top 17 least addictive foods, those are helping us live our healthiest lives. You can catch them in this video here, and we can start living our healthiest lives together. It'll come out next week, and we'll see you soon.